linear equations with fraction. X subtract 2 over 5 is equal 4. Here x subtract 2 is divided by 5. Then both sides multiply by 5. X subtract 2 over 5 is multiplied by 5. 4 also multiply by 5. This 5 and 5 cancel out. X subtract 2 is equal 5 times 4 is equal 20. Then here subtract 2. X subtract 2 plus 2. 20 plus 2. X is equal 22. Y plus 8 over 3 is equal 5. Both sides multiply by 3 is equal 5 times 3. 3 and 3 cancel out. Y plus 8 is equal 15. Here there is an addition. We subtract 8 from both sides. 15 subtract 8 is equal 7. Y is equal 7. We can check the answer. We substitute 7 for y. 7 plus 8 is equal 15. 15 divided by 3 is equal 5. Left hand side is equal 5. It's equal to right hand side. Then the answer is correct. In percent. 2y subtract 1 over 3 is equal 7. Both sides multiply by 3. 2y subtract 1 over 3 is multiplied by 3 is equal 7 multiplied by 3. Sketch 2a over 3. 2a over 3 plus 1 is equal 7. A is multiplied by 2 and the answer is divided by 3. And add 1 is equal 7. First we subtract 1 from both sides. 2a over 3 plus 1 subtract 1 is equal 7 subtract 1. 2a over 3 is equal 6. Then both sides multiply by 3. 6 multiplied by 3. 2a over 3 is here 3 and 3 cancel out. 2a is equal 3 times 6 equal 18. Both sides divide by 2. Answer is equal 2 times 9. A is equal 9. Or quickly we can find the answer. 2a equals 6 times 3. Both sides divide by 2. 2 times 3. 3 times 3 is equal 9. We substitute a is equal 9. 2 times 9 is divided by 3 plus 1 is equal left hand side. 3 times 3 is equal 9. 2 times 3 is equal 6. 6 plus 1 is equal 7. It's equal to right hand side. Answer is correct. We can check the answer. Next question. 3x over 2 plus 5 is equal 1. Now we subtract 5. Putha, now look at this question. 4 times 3x over 2 subtract 1 is equal to 8. We can find the answer with two methods. First we do this. All the terms in the bracket are multiplied by 4. 4 multiplied by 3x over 2 subtract 1 multiplied by 4 is equal to 8. 4 is divided by 2 is equal to 2 times 3x is equal 6x. Subtract 4 times 1 is equal 4 is equal to 8. Here there is a subtraction. We subtract 4. Putha, you can take this negative 4 to the right hand side. It is changed to positive 4. Here we 6x subtract 4 plus 4. This negative 4 and positive 4 are cancelled out. In grade 7, 8, it is compulsory to write this, but now we practice it, and in grade 10 and 11 it doesn't matter to write this. 6x is equal 12 plus 4 is equal 16. 6x is equal 16. Both sides divide by 6. X is equal 16 and 6. Divide by 2. 2 times 8, 2 times 3. 8 is divided by 3. 3 times 2, 6 and remaining 2. 3 and 2 over 3 is the answer. We can check the answer here. We substitute 3 and 2/3 for x. 4 times 3 over 2 multiplied by 8 over 3. Subtract 1. 3 and 3 cancel out. 2 times 1, 2 times 4. 4 1/3 of 2a over 3 subtract 3 is equal to. Every terms in left hand side are multiplied by 1/3. Here 3 is in denominator. We can multiply both sides by 3. 2a over 3 subtract 3. Here 1/3. We multiply by 3. Both sides multiply by 3. 3 and 3 cancel out. 2a over 3 subtract 3 is equal 2 times 3 is equal 6. Here a is multiplied by 2 and the answer is divided by 3. And subtract 3 from the answer. Here there is a subtraction. We add 3 for both sides. 3 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is equal 9. 2a over 3 is equal 9. Both sides multiply by 3. 9 also multiply by 3. 3 times 9 is equal to 27. 2a is equal to 27. Both sides divide by 2 is equal 13 and half is the answer. We can check the answer when we substitute 27 over 2 for a. Here left hand side we can check the answer. Left hand side is equal 1/3 of a is equal 27 over 2. 2 over 3 times 27 over 2. Subtract 3. 2 and 2 cancel out. 3 times 9. 9 subtract 3 is equal 6. Times 1/3 is equal to. Left hand side is equal to. It is equal to right hand side. Yes, answer is correct.